Today we're going to be installing the Hogue Monogrip for the AR-15 platform. Comes to us from Hogue, and it says that this is Hogue's famed orthopedic hand shape with compound palm swells and proportioned finger grooves position the hand naturally. Okay, well, I really like the Hogue grips on my AKs more than I like the standard grips that come with the guns, and I like them better than the grips from Magpul, and so I've decided that I'm going to install the Hogue grip on my AR, and we're going to take it from there. So this is the first time I'm opening the package, and we'll take a look and see what we got here. Okay, all right, comes just with the grip. Okay, I kind of noticed that before. There's no screw in here, so that's kind of interesting. But we still got a screw in here, and of course we have our little detent spring which we have to keep. So we're going to use a T30 hex wrench to get the screw out of our grip that came with the Ruger AR-15. Okay. Okay. And we want to do this upside down because there's a detent pin in here that we have to keep. Make sure that you can see that on camera. Okay. Okay. And I think our screw's loose yet. Yeah, it is. Okay, there it is. Okay, we're going to keep the screw, and there was a washer on that too, so we're going to get that out of there. Okay, and here is our detent spring and our screw, and here is a little gripping washer. Okay, so we're going to keep it up, and there is a detent pin in here which we want to make sure that we don't want to fall out. Not a big deal if it is. You just want to put the sharp end down, of course. So we're going to put our spring in our grip here. Okay, and we'll hold it upside down and fit it on. Okay, so far so good. It's a little tight. Well, it's actually really tight. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put our washer and screw on here. Find our hole. Hopefully this will seat properly. Yeah, it's closing up. Okay, good. All right, that's going to be nice and tight. You can see that. Okay, so far so good. And of course the rifle was cleared before we actually started our work here. But so there we go. So all you safety Nazis out there will feel happy. So this is the original Ruger hand grip. Put that aside. And now we've got the Hogue on there. And that feels really good. I mean, I really like that on my AKs. So the safety's working fine, and everything's looking good. So let's take a look here. And of course we got that. That's interesting. Yeah, just piece of rubber there. I think. Tell you the truth, I think I'm going to take that off. Let's take that piece off. That's in the way. I don't like that. So let's take this apart. And we're going to take that little piece off. Quite all the way out. There it goes. Okay. Here's our washer. Yeah, I think we're going to take that piece off. That's definitely not good. So we're just going to take our Dremel out and we're just going to grind that off. Okay, I've got my Dremel out, and I'm just going to take that little piece off in the front here. It just gets in the way, and it interferes with the proper grip. So we're going to take that little chunk off. So we're going to do this real slow, freehand. Some people say I'm brave, but or maybe I'm just reckless. I don't know. Pretty good. A little more speed here. Okay, there we go. Doesn't look too bad. Not bad if I have to say so myself. We're doing it freehand. Here we go. Okay. Alright, so we'll put our spring back in there. Okay, shouldn't get too much in the way. Get our gun dirty. Got our table dirty. But I've noticed one thing when I buy Hogue products, I usually have to trim them. It's been a very interesting experience with Hogue. I don't know what it is, but just between you and me, you know, I have noticed that I have had to trim them. Things here and there. So, okay, let's see here. Okay, we'll put our detent spring in here. Oops. Gravity's our friend, huh? Maybe not. screw in. It's nice and tight. Okay. Okay, I can feel it biting in there. There we go. Okay, there we go. All nice and clean. And oh, that's much better. There we go. So there we go. So if you buy the Hogue AR-15 Monogrip, you have to do a little trimming. Well worth it. I think it looks good. As I said, I really enjoy the Hogue grips on my AKs. I mean, it really gives you something to, you know, it's comfortable, it's got good traction, it's thick, it's everything a grip should be. So, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.